Hello guys, in this video I'll be walking you guys through a project that I built using Azure virtual machines, a domain controller running Windows 2022, and a client uh, running Windows 11 Enterprise. So let me start. Alright, so what we want to do first, we're going to go to the domain controller, make sure that it's on, starting that VM. Then I'm gonna jump over to the client, make sure that it's on also. Then call for the run box, call for RDP, make sure that it's the correct IP address that I want to RDP into. Just verify 242.216.161. Yep, that matches with my domain controller. So go ahead and connect. Username admin -28, just the default administrative username. So I'm gonna connect. I'm gonna be prompted to enter my password, which I will. Oh, there we go. So we successfully uh, RDP'd into the server, to the domain controller using admin credentials. So that's loading. Let me do the client real quick. Client, make sure it's on. Doesn't show that it's on yet. Let's check the notifications. DC client is on. X out of the notifications. Call for run box. Call for RDP. Computer, change to the IP address. Verify the IP address. Make sure that this IP address is correct one for the client, 135.234.119.18. That's correct. As you can see, this is one of the users that's joined to the domain. So we're going to press connect. We're prompt to enter our password, which I will do now. So we successfully RDP'd into the client VM that's running on Azure. So, quick thing that I want to verify. I want to make sure that my client has the correct IP pointing to the server for DNS. So I'm gonna call for the run box, CMD, IP config, all, enter. Verify my private IP, which is 10.0.0.4 on the DC. Hop back to my client, call for the run box, call for the command line interface, type in IP config -all, enter. Scroll down to DNS server. Verify that it's pointing to the DC. It is 10.0.0.4. Okay, so that's good. So we're gonna X out of this. So one cool thing that I did was create a shared folder for the domain users. So I'll quickly go to File Explorer on the DC, domain controller, go to C drive. This is the shared folder that I created for the domain users. Um, so right now we're logged into Che's desktop. So we just want to make sure that Che has uh, access to the shared folder. I made sure to assign them full permissions, read and write. So let's hop back over to the client, open, oh, open File Explorer. Make sure that this user has there we go. It's just running slow. Make sure that this user has access to the shared folder. The user does, as you can see here, is his work folder. What I did here is I mapped the shared folder, assigning the letter C to come up as a drive under File Explorer. We'll X out of this. We're gonna make sure that the GPO is applied to this user. We're gonna call for the run box, call for the command line interface. We're gonna type in GP results /R, enter. We're going to verify that the GPO is applied to this user. It is, as you can see here, map shared drive is the GPO that I've assigned to this user. We're going to go back to the DC, X out of the File Explorer, open Group Policy Management. As you can see here under the my domain, under domain says domain.local, which is just something quick that I made up to call this domain. You can see this is the GPO that I made for the users. We're gonna open it. We're gonna go to the people that the settings in this GPO can only apply to the following group: users and computers. As you can see, the domain user group is here. We're going to double click on this. We're going to click on the members tab. And as you can see, Che Guevara is uh, in this GPO. He's a member um, that has this GPO assigned. We'll press OK. And then we'll jump back to the client, X out of the command line interface. I'll log out. You know what? Yeah, sign out. Sign out. Okay, so that closed that RDP session. So I'm back on the host machine, which is my laptop. Go ahead and call for RDP using the run box. Make sure that it's the IP of the client that I'm trying to RDP into. It is. We're gonna click on show more options because we want to change the name of the user from Che to Patricia T. Then we're gonna press enter. We're gonna be prompted to enter our the user's password, which I will. The RDP connection seems to be successful. Loading configurations. Great. All right. So, uh, I want to do here. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna open File Explorer, verify that the share that this domain user also has uh, access to the share folder. They do. As you can see here, it's also mapped using the C drive. Uh, we're gonna close this out and verify that this the GPO is applied to this user. We'll call for the run box, call for the command line interface, type in gp result -r, enter. As you can see here, this GPO is applied to this user, map shared drive. Let's jump back to the DC, to the domain controller, back to the group policy management. Look, we're gonna just verify that under domain users, Patricia T is a member, so we're gonna double click there, just verify. Look at the tab on the members tab, click on that. As we can see here, you can verify that Patricia T is a part of this GPO. We're gonna close this, cancel, or okay, whatever. And then we're gonna X out of this, and then what else? What else can I show you here? Local server. Let's see. Let me check my notes real quick. 1 second. That that is all I have for this walkthrough, for this basic virtual network RDP into client and server GPO demo, shared folder demo, mapped on uh, users, domain users, file explorer. Um, yeah, that's pretty much what I have right now. My other video coming up will be on I'm gonna be using Cisco Packet Tracer, and I'm gonna be connecting a topography, making sure that uh, my cables are correct, distance and speed, and the type of cable that I use. So I'm looking forward to doing that and demonstrating that to you guys. And thank you so much for uh, watching my video. My name is Enrique Hernandez. Right now I'm finishing a AS degree at LBCC. I'm Network CompTIA Network Plus certified, and I am looking for a job. And hopefully, any potential employers check this out. And then you guys can leave a comment, or if you guys want to set up a interview, I'd be open to that. Just shoot me an email. My email is Enrique H HDZ928 at gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.